Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what matters, the audio and the tool. Make sure your file is MP3 or WAV and has a consistent sample rate. This reduces errors. Next, open your chosen transcription app and sign in so settings persist. Upload the audio now or paste a link. While it uploads, select the spoken language and desired turnaround. Once done, confirm whether you want verbatim or clean text, because that choice changes how the job runs and what output you'll review. You'll now configure the job details that affect quality and time. Choose whether to add timestamps and speaker labels so the transcript is navigable, and set punctuation rules for readability. Then pick processing priority: fast for quick drafts, accurate for near-final text, balanced works for most cases. Enable noise reduction or confidentiality modes if your audio is sensitive. Once these options are set, start the job. The system will queue and process according to your selections and notify you when it's ready. You finish by reviewing and exporting the transcript. Read through for misheard words, fix speaker tags, and align timestamps where needed, because human review ensures quality. Then export in the format you need: docx for editing, TXT for quick use, or SRT for subtitles. Make sure to save a copy. If you spot systemic errors, rerun the job with the higher accuracy setting or supply a cleaner audio file. This one troubleshooting step solves most recurring issues and improves future results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.